Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's December 1st, 2025. I'm out by the shop right now. Just got done with a road trip going down to Clay, New York, and going to the Home Depot, picking up the replacement threshold. They sent me the wrong size for my jam extensions and my 36-inch entrance doors that go on each side of the building here. And so I just got back from a road trip with Thor, the Cybertruck. If you missed that video, that's probably worth watching if you're interested in, what's going on with Tesla. Are they really as advanced as people say? Yeah, they are. They're pretty darn cool. So anyways, today, one of the things I'm going to do, now I know it's going to get dark in here as things are adjusting. I may open up the door to do some of this, but this is a jam extension for the threshold. They sent me a 32-inch one as opposed to the full 36-inch, so I just picked that one up. I'll take this side off, put the threshold jam on, and then put the molding on it, the brick mold, and this door will be ready to be installed. All right, and then I'll decide what else I've got to do today here. I can't remember. When you go on a little road trip, your mind gets distracted and who knows. We'll see how things go.
It's winter here in central New York. Sun crawls up at 8 and it's gone by 4. The wind comes howling off the lake like a freight train, rattles the windows, tries to get through the door. Snow keeps falling soft and hard, then sideways, piles up on the roof, on the tools, on the drive. I got a list a mile long and a heart that wants to finish, but this season don't care if you're dead or alive. Oh, winter slows me down. Winter slows me down. Wraps its cold arms tight around this town. I fight it every morning with coffee and a shovel, but winter slows me down. The tractor won't start when it's 20 below. Diesel turns to jelly, batteries say no. Dreamed I'd frame the addition before the new year. Now I'm just trying to keep the pipe from freezing, I swear. Boots by the wood stove, gloves hanging like ghosts. Every trip outside steals another hour at most. I watch the snow bury yesterday's progress and tell myself spring's coming, but nobody knows. Yeah, winter slows me down. Winter slows me down. Turns a hard day's work into crawling on the ground. I curse it, I laugh, I keep swinging the hammer. The winter slows me down. Some folks head south when the geese fly away. Me, I stay and dig in, too stubborn to break. There's something honest in a sky this gray, something that teaches you how much you can take. Yeah, winter slows me down. Winter slows me down. But it won't stop the fire that's burning in this old town. Come April, I'll stand in the mud and I'll smile, 'cause winter slowed me down. But it never shut me out. It's winter here in central New York, and the snow keeps coming. But so do I.
I was quiet as the pines, kept my own company. Daddy gone too early, left a wild boy running free. Hellraiser in the swamps, barefoot through the mud. Found peace where the cypress stood and the black water run. 18 came quick, said I'd do way too soon. Learned the hard way, love ain't just a honeymoon. Worked sun up to sundown, calluses on my hands, trying to build something solid out of nothing but plans. And she came, my baby girl, blue eyes and light. One smile from her and I knew what I was fighting for, right? Divorce papers signed, closed a door full of pain. Met the woman who'd walked the long road with me through the rain. It's been a long way home, mile by mile. Tears in the rearview gracing every smile. From a lost boy in the woods to this gray-headed man, I'd do it all again just to hold who I am. It's been the long way home. Learned to read at 28, words opened up the sky. Packed up the truck for Cornell so I could heal what can't cry. Vet school nights were brutal, books thicker than sin. Wish I'd held my little girl more than I held that pen. She grew up strong without me there every single day. But love don't measure distance, it just finds a way. Stethoscope round my neck, fixing dogs and cats, helping folks say goodbye, welcome new paws on the mat. Back home we dug the ponds, planted food that would last, built a passive solar house in a paradise from the past. Horses in the pasture, orphan fawns by the barn, every creature taught me more about a healer's heart. Hung up the white coat, said goodbye to the clinic door, but I never stopped working, just changed what I was working for. Mindful living sanctuary, that's what we call this ground, where the dragonflies dance and the quiet is a holy sound. Now the knees creak louder and the sunrise comes slow. We move a little gentler, but we still got places to go. Granddaughters laughing, great-grandson running wild. Every shovel of dirt still makes tomorrow's child smile. Slowing down ain't quitting when your heart's still in the fight. We're just walking softer on the land we got right. It's been the long way home, mile by mile. Scars on these hands and peace in every smile. From a swamp running boy to this life we've grown, I'd walk it all again for the love I've known. Thank God it's been the long way home. The woods are still calling, the pond still sings soft and low. And I'm still that quiet boy. Only now I know which way to go. Woke up this morning, sky was overcast and cold. Coffee in my hand, thought I'd get ahead this time. Opened up the crate, yeah, the one from yesterday. Parts were cracked and bent, wrong size anyway. I could feel that fire rising up inside my chest, but I heard my dad's voice say, boy, anger don't fix mess. Sometimes when things go wrong, I just laugh. What else you gonna do with that? Wrong parts, broke dreams, rain on the parade. I throw my head back, let it roll away. Yeah, sometimes when things go wrong, I just laugh. The door jam's too short, the frame's all warped and split. Instructions in Chinese and none of it fits. Shipping says sorry, FedEx lost the claim, but the sun's still shining and I'm too stubborn for blame. Could curse the sky, kick the dirt, let the whole day burn, or crack a smile and watch the whole damn world turn. Sometimes when things go wrong, I just laugh. What else you gonna do with that? Life's a crooked road full of potholes and traps, but alas, free fuel keeps me rolling on the map. Yes, sometimes when things go wrong, I just laugh. Tears will come later when nobody's around, but right now I'm standing on my own damn ground. If I lose my cool, the chaos wins the fight, so I choose the crazy and I laugh it into life. Sometimes when things go wrong, I just laugh louder than the thunder, longer than the past. Let the whole world wonder why I'm grinning like a fool, 'cause joy's the best revenge, and laughter's my best tool. Yeah, sometimes when things go wrong, sometimes when it all falls down, sometimes when the night's too long, I just laugh. I just laugh. Hell yeah, I just laugh.
Well, I'm about ready to call it a day. I was able, well, first thing this morning, I went to Home Depot, got the replacement for the threshold. They sent me the wrong size, and took Thor down, and that was a great ride. Came back, nice heated truck, wonderful heated seat, all of that and all. And came back here, and I went ahead and installed the threshold, got the brick mold around it as well. So those two doors are ready to get installed. Pretty happy about that. Jimmy did call back after leaving Home Depot. Jimmy's the millworks, supervisor. I'm not sure he's a supervisor, but he's the guy at the millworks all the time that made the orders for me. And he let me know that the panels, the 3 panels that need to be replaced for this overhead door, will be finished getting made on the 17th, and then they go to the shipper. So I'm guessing that'll take about a week. Not certain about any of that, so I'm still trying to decide, do I put the door up temporarily, then take the panels down? I don't know. I really got to think about things. But anyways, that's good. That all worked out. Then I came back and I went and got some materials. I got them on the shelving units. Where did I get them from? No, I can't remember where I got them from right now, but I got some from the work area as well. Got those onto some shelving areas, screws and things like that, different fasteners, things that I know that can go in the shop in various locations. Lots of organizational stuff still has to be done and all. Then I picked up some of the outdoor furniture that Thea wasn't able to get picked up, put the table and the wheelbarrows inside of one of the gazebos, so that stuff's up. Then I went up and picked up limbs that are blown off from last couple of windstorms. Took a load over. I was able to get it all into one load. Now there's still a bunch more over there to the side. I decided, because I really had a very full load, and those are out of the way, so I don't have to worry about them being in the driveway and all. So those ones I'll get another day. Then I took some of the compostable stuff out to the leaf mold compost pile. Got that out there and all. So I think that's everything. It's hard for me to remember. And cranial access, you're absolutely right. It is unpleasant in the winters up here. I know when you're got your loader and your blower on your tractor, especially when it's worse than it is now and you got the winds. We only have a breeze right now, but I'm cold. And my gloves got a little bit wet in the snow, picking up all the limbs and all, and my hands are pretty frozen. My butt's pretty cold. Yeah, I don't envy those days. The times that I've got to be in an open cab out there, as minimal as possible. Without a cab, I mean. I want to be as minimal as possible. So anyways, that's it for today's video, folks. Really appreciate you watching, and appreciate your comments, your thumbs up, all of that stuff. Really helps out the channel and keeps me somewhat motivated to keep making these videos. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye now.